Hello. Welcome to Shaun Academy. Today in this video we're going to learn how to start a network marketing business. My name is James and I will be your business consultant in this video. Now, before we start your network marketing business, let's take a closer look at what goes into starting one and how we can make yours profitable. Network marketing, also known as MLM, can be a viable opportunity if the emphasis is on selling products rather than recruiting new members. You can join an existing MLM organization or start your own from scratch to start your own network marketing company, but if you go the DIY route, you'll need to establish a relationship with a wholesaler or manufacturer to turn out your actual product. Choose a product line for your network marketing business. Start a nutritional network marketing company, which is the most common type of network marketing business. Find a wholesale supplier at NA.org, the website of the National Association of Wholesaler Distributors. Attend NA meetings to get to know wholesalers better. Make contact with several potential wholesale and manufacturer suppliers. Inquire if they provide dropshipping services, which will help you keep your inventory levels low. Determine whether the supplier provides catalogs, brochures, and order forms for their products. Choose the supplier who offers the lowest unit cost per product. Set your product's retail price in accordance with your supplier's recommendations. Create a multiple-tiered commission structure for your distributors. Set commissions at 10%, for example, for first-level sales, where distributors profit from those they recruit. Set levels 2 and 3 commissions at 5% each, for example, allowing distributors to earn commissions on people your distributors recruit. Install commission-paying software for network marketing. Calculate the commissions of all future distributors using your commission payment software. Make an instruction manual for all distributors that highlights various ways for them to promote their network marketing businesses. Create a distributor's kit with the instruction manual, a catalog, a price list, and order forms for all potential dealers. Advertise your network marketing company in major business opportunity publications such as Business Opportunities, Home Business, and Small Business Opportunities. Begin with classified ads because they are the most cost-effective of all types of ads. People who respond to your classified ad should receive a sales letter, brochure, and order form in the mail. When people inquire about your network marketing opportunity, call them back. Continually recruit distributors for your company. Create a website and include a link to it in your classified ads. This will provide additional opportunities for people to join your network marketing opportunity. Set up a merchant account with your bank to accept credit cards online. If you are unable to create your own website, hire a web designer. Create self-replicating sites for your distributors so they can recruit their own distributors. Self-replicating sites will have the same URL or address as your site but will have different extensions or identification numbers. Building a strong organizational structure is critical to the success of any networking marketing company. You will require the following items: 1. Supplier at wholesale prices. 2. Payment software for commissions. 3. Manual of instructions. Point 4. Catalogs. 5. Letters of sale. Point 6. Brochures. 7. Lists of prices. Point 8. Forms of order. 9. Envelopes or boxes for shipping. 10. Labels for shipping. If you found this video useful, please show your appreciation by clicking the like button. Also, let us know in the comments if you'd like us to make a long, comprehensive follow-up video to learn more about how to start a network marketing business. Also, don't forget to click the subscribe button to see more videos from Shaun Academy, an extension for education.